Welcome to Hoi An. Welcome to the summertime of Hoi An here in Vietnam. Yes, we are in Hoi An, not in Da Nang. We are 25 minutes away from Da Nang, and now we're at the heart of the old town here in Hoi An. We're gonna take a little stroll, see how it is. The ocean beach was phenomenal. We did a video there today. Crazy. So many people, and Marcus was very happy to be there. Yeah, it's very interesting. The beaches are packed.
Hoi An has vibes of Bali, to be honest.
Yes, so the beach area of Hoi An, I would say, I would want to live there, to be honest. And it's so nice. It's so nice. The An Bang beach area, my God. It's really, if Da Nang is too much for you, if the noise pollution and the city side is too much for you, maybe Hoi An is better. I think the An Bang area gives the most of a island vibe, in my opinion. Here in Vietnam, beautiful. And here, of course, it's very, very touristy. Pavement-wise, we got a beautiful pavement here on the river. Be careful in the rainy season, this river always goes up. If it rains for 3 days in a row, this river ends over there. Yes. So it is all, and they are used to it. They even have, so the taxis during the flooding times, they usually have boats get you around. So life does not stop. Last year was very bad. We're gonna go there now and I can show you how high the flood was, but they're used to this river is flooding over. It's totally normal here. So, but now that's not a flooding season. There won't be much rain anymore. It's blue sky. It's summer. It's not that hot yet, so this is a very good time to travel here. I would say April is the safest. It was rainy the whole time now in March, but now it should be the end. It should be not raining anymore and you're gonna be good to go. Get a nice river cruise here. We're gonna have a cruise. I did it one time with my parents, I think.
The ship looks better at night.
Yeah, it does.
More safe.
But it's also way more packed. So I like going here in the daytime. It's not that packed. Generally, try to eat as much khao lao as possible. The Hoi An noodle dish, beautiful. Be prepared if you come here with your wife. She wants to make photos, or maybe other way around. I'm not judging. Yeah, that's how it looks. Coffee shops everywhere, spas, restaurants. Very nice.
This bridge is always packed.
Yeah. We're gonna walk now to the Japanese bridge, which was also flooded like crazy last year. It was so high, the flood. I want to see it now for myself. But they recovered very quick, so. Lots of guys doing professional photos here as well. For our ladies, maybe men either, also. You can rent out some traditional auzais, like the Vietnamese clothing. You can rent it out here. And then you can make photos. Yeah, everything is possible. Check this out. The water was so high, it was all the way up to the, it's crazy. Crazy to think how high the water was. So this water went all the way up to the top of the bridge. So everything here was flooded. Everything was flooded, yeah. It's crazy to think how high it was, like 2 meters or something. Crazy. Yeah. You have almost the same there again. You can walk around everywhere. There's a night market over there. There's some bars, some nightlife. We're gonna walk over there now. And a lot of tour groups. Before Da Nang became a thing, people never stopped in Da Nang. They always went only to Hoi An. So people, I had friends, this is crazy, friends from Mexico. They came to Hoi An, did not stop in Da Nang. Crazy. But yeah, I can understand it. It's very pretty here. But I would say this neighborhood is not to stay for a long time. No. This neighborhood is to be 1 or 2 days, 3 days. So I would also not recommend to get a hotel for here for some weeks. That's not a good idea, guys.
Either, center, no.
Yeah, stay either way on the beach or stay in Da Nang and just get here or a little bit outside of that area. Because imagine you have a hotel here and you have to walk through that every day. That's too much. Or maybe you like it, who knows? Some music going on here.
But you see, this now it's 3 o'clock and it's full.
This is also very famous here. Check this out. To make photos, those small alleyways, yellow paint, yellow painted walls. And we are on the street where you get a famous mud drink. It is also famous for Hoi An. Mud drink, Khao Lao, the famous banh mi's. You have some rooftop bars over there. And of course, the thousands of tailors. Yeah, it's crazy how many tailors there are. And of course, souvenir shops. You can also get some new Nike sneakers here, everything. Coffee shops, everything you want.
This is the guys we started with.
Yes, exactly. We just picked up the tour groups. But we are Germans, we're walking. And the beautiful thing about here, you can walk around. You can still get honked on, but not on a traditional honk, but from the guys who are driving with the cyclists, they always say beep, 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 beep. Oh, let's go. Let's get a mud drink.
Okay, you can have one.
So this is the traditional, it's 20k now, so inflation, guys. It was 18 before.
Yeah, but 20 is okay. I will get one for you.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Look at it.
So yeah.
Hey.
So it's 20. Oh.
20.
Oh my gosh, look at this. This man is rich. So I will take,
Yeah, I know.
I will
I'm a
take the
millionaire.
50.
Almost millionaire. Okay.
And this back to you.
I'm not even a millionaire. Yeah, I think I'm a millionaire now. Oh no.
I don't know. I will get one for you. For 20.
I'm gonna take a stroll a little bit. This is a neighborhood that's very nice at night. Especially those streets here are like, I think this one and the parallel streets on the right side, I think are very nice. And this is the only honking they can do. These electrical honks. And those guys, they usually do this beep, 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 beep. So I think it's forbidden to honk here properly. So for example, this person is driving illegally around here. That's why he's driving very slow. So usually there are some guards that will scream at you and you have to get off the bike. But sometimes someone still make it outside. This is how beautiful it is. Eco bamboo, lots of restaurants, and and 2 dishes you should definitely try is khao lao, and then the chicken rice, gom ga, the Hoi An chicken rice. If you want to have pho, don't get it here. Get it in Hanoi. If you travel around Vietnam, try to stick to the local noodle dishes and rice dishes. Why Why is Marcus taking so long? Okay, okay. Now he's done. So this is what you have to get. This is also what every Vietnamese will tell you.
This is yours.
It's okay, you can have it as a tip. And it's like eco-friendly here. It's like made a bamboo stick.
How's it taste?
Oh, sweet, herbal. Yeah, it's good and refreshing. It feels like iced sugary spa day. You can get all the leather goods here. You can also talk to them if you have a picture of something you want to get made. Even if it's made of leather, they can do it. They can make everything here. There are even workshops here. You can make your leather goods yourself. I remember that. Our good friend Jermaine and his girlfriend did it. I mean, he filmed it and she did it. Kashmir. Look at this. This is crazy. She's driving around through that thing. The only problem sometimes I have here, there's no trash to throw away, but it's okay, we will find something. There are lots of people with big cameras here. So if you're a camera thief, that's the place to be.
Yeah.
I swear to
If
God.
you are interested in good photography, it's probably also the place to
Yes.
be.
I'm just seeing the negative things. But the thing is, you see here the craziest cameras. If you're a camera nerd, it's gonna be crazy. Boulevard, gelato, pastry, and coffee. Okay.
All the good stuff.
Look at her.
Where?
She was like, get out of the way.
Oh, she was not having it, huh?
No, she was like, get out of the way, like as if she's the queen of the jungle here. Crazy. Guys, don't be like this person. You see, she was like this, like acting like she's owning the street. Crazy. This is a walking street. I don't know why. I mean, for very lazy people or people who cannot walk, then it's fine. But usually those people who are driving around this place is just lazy people.
Look at this.
Oh, something you cannot have, bro. Oh, look at this ice cream. Oh boy. Let's go, Marcus. We cannot have it.
Isn't it a nice little...
Yeah, for photos everywhere. This is such a dream for every photographer. It's a nightmare for Instagram husbands. Look how they called it, Hoi An cuisine street food. SEO at its finest. Google Maps SEO. You can get all kinds of linen goods here. You know what I miss, Marcus? I miss the local market here. The local market, they had such a great food there. I think I had one of my favorite buntit nung there.
You know what I'm
Oh
missing?
my God.
Better boxes.
Yeah,
It's just
the speakers are bad.
Yeah, the speakers, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, look at this, you can get Fendi here. Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Gucci, Fendi.
I think Fendi is Italian. Because I know because Paola was interested in Fendi.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
an Italian luxury brand.
Big red flag.
No, it's too much.
Fendi, Fendi, Fendi. Oh, beautiful. And this is also, do you know that you can also get these leather goods made here? Look at this. Crazy. Like, check this out. Everything you can get made here. I think I had a friend one time and he got it like for $500,000.
Okay.
If I'm not wrong. It depends. You always have to negotiate here, guys. But yeah, this is very good.
Well, if you are sensitive to sunlight or the heat,
Yeah.
you should cover yourself. Because
Yes.
there's no shades.
Yep. So it's a place where you stay at night. This is a night place, but you can smell the leather here. The thing is, if you come to Hoi An, you have to prepare yourself mentally. It's gonna be very packed, okay? All right, guys. I think he was from Switzerland, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sounded like Switzerland.
Yeah.
So sophisticated and rich.
This is the way. I see a lot of people with sunburn here already. You gotta be careful, guys. The sun doesn't feel that bad here in Vietnam, but it's very strong. So always stay covered, stay safe, guys. Try to not walk around like I saw today. But yeah, this is the local market here, and I can only recommend it to you. It looks a little bit funky, it's a little bit crazy in there, but it's very tasty food. And good prices too. Yeah. And here it's nice shades. And things getting burned here, paper. We should stay in the shade, guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.